guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Farming Simulator 25 not launching on PS5. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now if you're having problems here with your Farming Simulator 25, there's a few things that you could do to possibly solve this issue. So one of them is to do some basic troubleshooting here. So first is you want to guarantee that you have a significant space on your PS5, because sometimes having not enough space, like for example, you're already at full capacity, so you might want to free up some space here to hopefully fix this issue. Now that's one of the things that you could do here. But another thing you could do here is you could try rebuilding your database, which in this case involves you going into safe mode. So by the way, we are going to view an article here directly from PlayStation. And how do you start your console here in safe mode? So first is you want to turn off your console. So hold and press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds. So the power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Now, once the console is actually off, you want to press and hold the power button again and release it after you hear the second beep. So one beep sounds when you first pressed, and another 7 seconds later. So you want to connect the controller with a USB cable and press PS button on the controller. Now once in there, you have multiple options on, or in this case, multiple options that you could use. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to use the following option. So by the way, let's go ahead and scroll down a bit here just to give you an idea. So this is what it actually, what are the options that you could get here. You have restart system, change resolution, but what you're looking for is going to be rebuild database. So this actually scans the drive and creates new databases for all content on the system. So usually this option is useful for experiencing system features, issues, or a game icon remains on home after it has been deleted. So in this case, just go ahead and rebuild the database, and once you've done that, you can go ahead and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the final thing that we could do here is just basically wait for some form of updates. Now, in this case, usually there's actually, just give you an idea here, a lot of users are actually experiencing this specific issue here, and no specific solution was actually established. So most likely this issue is a bug within the game itself. So what you could do is wait for them to release some update. So make sure to update it when you see any updates. But yeah, so those are the things that we can do right now, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.